Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Liters, meters, grams, oh my! This is a great game to get students to understand the decimal system as well as how it's used in the metric system. So the unit system, meters, liters, or grams, is your ones place. Your deca is your tens place, hecto, hundreds, kilo, thousands place. And then on the other side of this line, which represents our decimal point, is decimeter for hundred or tenths place, centi for hundredths, and milli for thousands place. So students will take turns rolling a dice to get a number and spinning the spinner to get what metric system they're going to be using. So let's say the first player goes and they have rolled a 4 and they spun this centi or centimeter, if they want to think of it centimeter, centiliter, centigram. So the 4 and this would go into the centimeter spot, and we have nothing in the decimeter spot, so we're going to put that as a 0, and we're going to put a decimal place here on that line, and we're going to put a 0 here as our filler in our ones place. They can put zeros anywhere in that line if they want to. Zeros just represent a filler. So let's say the next person goes and they roll this 12 and they spin a unit. So notice that the 12 is 2 digits, a 1 and a 2. The 2's in the ones place, the 1's in the tens place. So we're going to write that exactly like that. The 2 in the units and the 1 in the deca place. Because if I have 10 meters, I have 1 decameter. So this number will be written that way. If you want to put a decimal point and a 0, that's completely fine. So let's say we go again and we roll a 13. And we roll a millimeter. So the 3 would go in the milli place, because once I have 10 millimeters, I have 1 centimeter. So I'm going to put the 1 in the centimeter place, fill in that 0, and the units place 0, and I'm going to put my decimal point right there. I roll again and get the 19, and I spin and get decameter. That 9 is going to go into that deca, and the hecto, because once I have the 10 decas, I have 1 hecto, and I'm going to place it there, and then I'm going to put a 0 in this unit place to hold that space. And if I want to, I could put a decimal point here. Now let's say I roll again and I get the 11 and I spin kilo. Now there's nothing higher than a kilo, so both numbers are going to go into that kilo space because I don't have a metric unit that's above the kilo. So then I'm going to fill in the rest of those with zeros. Now to get a score, students are going to add up all these numbers. Now when I get here, you're going to see I have a 9 and a 1, which is going to give me 10. So I'm going to put the 0 here, and I'm going to carry that 1 over, and I'm going to add those 2 together to get that 2, and then I'm going to put these 1s here. Now when I want kids to recite this number in their units and be able to recite this as a whole number, which is going to be a challenge for kids, it's 11,202 and 53 thousandths. So if they need help, they can always look at what is written on the board. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.